Oh, that's really fun.
Yeah, you're busted.
How did you think that was going to go?
Yeah, not well for anybody involved. All right, we need to go
Keep left
forward.
onto Wacker Drive, Harrison.
I bet it'd stop there.
Well, he has to.
Oh, did not see that.
What happened, that Trump is a fascist. I hope you've been paying attention to what I've been saying at the very least in reference to this conflict. I can't predict what the establishment machine will do or how the inner workings will produce results. But I can tell you quite a bit.
All of that safely. Say it with me now. New year, new kitchen with specialty appliance. They've got 3 locations, Denver, Louisville, and Fort Collins, or you can always check them out online at buyfromsa.com.
That guy just blew through that light and the cop was chasing him.
I absolutely love my dog, but the constant shedding,
Whoa.
not so much.
Did you see that cop chasing that guy?
Yeah,
He blew right through that light. I saw him coming. This car started going forward because our light changed.
That could have gone bad.
That would have been very bad. As fast as that dude was going, that would have been really bad.
What are you doing, stupid?
Uh-oh, retard alert! Retard alert!
God damn.
Radio edit.
Mama! You're on YouTube! Yay!
Uh-oh, retard alert! Retard alert!
I ain't got no problem with nothing, man.
Watch your mouth how you talk to me, dumbass.
I didn't you, did I? And you on film, idiot. Well, you gonna be on YouTube, you stupid. Hey, say hi, YouTube. What a moron. I got a phone. I can stare at it while I'm driving. I'm a genius. Yo! All right. That's it. Stare at your phone, bro. Stare at your phone. Stare at your phone. Stare at your phone. Yay! You're on film, stupid! You're on... I said stare at your phone, idiot! You're... Hit me! Hit me! You're on... Shut up!
Damn, that was an almost accident there.
Standing in the shadow of a wind turbine that's taller than the statue of Liberty. His job is to scrap 7 turbines left over from one of Nebraska's first wind farms. Over 200,000 pounds of material.
Taking things apart is difficult. Took a lot of energy to put it together. It's going to take a lot to take it apart. This job in particular, there are 100 semi-loads of material that need to be removed. That's very expensive to move.
Smaller, older blades can be the length of an Olympic-sized swimming pool, and many newer models are 3 times as long. Van Vliet says dealing with their...
Are they spicy? Are they cinnamony? Oh my soul, man, in that Ford!
That was close.
Did you guys see that?
In the system is trouble. When people ask me, how on earth did the Nazis become a problem, I would say, well, you have to understand that Germany, in the late 20s, early 30s, was in a massive crisis. Political crisis, an economic crisis, a social crisis. The system is breaking down. Demonstrations and at times violent street protests were rife.
I saw the angel of death waiting for me at the sea gap.
It's unbelievable. What, you thought I was going to run him over? No way. He's probably going to strip me and score a touchdown the other Palamalu, bro. That ain't just your backyard football with your son. These are professional. He'd probably jump over the lineman, pick me up, and if he wanted to. That's what he would have done.
The hard-hitting safety of his generation, too.
Whoa.
I mean, Ed Reed, great cover safety. I don't know that you would have feared him, but...
Ed Reed, I would have feared Ed Reed. Yeah, if I saw Ed Reed in that sea gap, absolutely. E.D. Reed, boy. The best
I don't even know anymore.
No, Ed Reed would have made the tackle. I'm saying that Palamalu would have shaken.